A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, South Korean President Yoon Suk Yeol has been impeached by the National Assembly following his controversial martial law decree issued earlier this month. The impeachment motion passed with a significant majority, garnering 204 votes in favor and 85 against, with 3 lawmakers abstaining and 8 votes declared invalid. This marks a pivotal moment in South Korea's political landscape, as Yoon's attempt to impose martial law on December 3 faced immediate backlash, leading to a swift reversal by the National Assembly just hours later. The political turmoil surrounding Yoon's administration has been palpable, with his popularity plummeting to an all-time low of just 11%, according to a recent Gallup Korea poll. The impeachment motion, which required a 2/3 majority in the 300-member parliament, was bolstered by the defection of 12 lawmakers from Yoon's own People Power Party, PPP, a stark contrast to the previous week's failed attempt where most of the party boycotted the vote. The Democratic Party-led opposition, which controls 192 seats in the National Assembly, seized the opportunity to push for Yoon's removal, citing his actions as a threat to democracy and stability in the country. In a fiery address leading up to the vote, Representative Park Chan-dae, the floor leader of the opposition, accused Yoon of leading an insurrection and called for an immediate suspension of his duties to protect the interests of the people. Yoon's martial law declaration, which was intended to restore order amid escalating protests, instead ignited widespread demonstrations across the nation. An estimated 200,000 people gathered near the National Assembly, chanting for Yoon's removal and waving signs calling for accountability. The atmosphere was charged with energy, featuring loud K-pop music and humorous flags, as citizens voiced their discontent with the government's handling of the situation. As the impeachment process unfolds, Yoon's fate now rests with the Constitutional Court, which has 180 days to confirm or reject the impeachment. In the interim, Prime Minister Han Duck-soo will assume the role of interim leader, effectively relieving Yoon of his presidential duties. This impeachment marks the third such occurrence in South Korea's history, following the impeachments of former presidents Roh Moo-hyun in 2004 and Park Geun-hye in 2017. Roh was reinstated by the Constitutional Court, while Park was ultimately removed from office. Yoon's administration has faced mounting challenges, including criminal investigations for treason and abuse of power, further complicating his political standing. As the nation watches closely, the outcome of the Constitutional Court's decision will not only determine Yoon's political future, but also set a precedent for the resilience of democracy in South Korea. With tensions running high and public sentiment firmly against him, the next steps in this unfolding saga will be crucial for the future of the country's governance and political stability. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.